Hello everyone, I hope you're looking after yourself at this time and all, doing what you need to. I must admit, this is a very good time to get your Scrawlrbox delivered because, oh my, it's an interesting time. For those watching this in the future when I've got my, billion subscribers, yeah, it is, what is it, March 21st, and, well, I'm at home. I'm just staying at home. They haven't officially told us to just, but we better stay at home. Anyway, let's have a look. Now, what we got? Ooh, okay. So I really like this kind of thing, but I'm rubbish at doing it. I can't do the abstract. It needs to make sense to me, which is so annoying. Oh, hatch. There we go. This is, let's get my light on. How does that do? Interesting. You've got sunlight and my big ring light, so there you go. Oh, we've got a little note. Oh, it's proper little 20 sheets. What is it? A5 layout pad. Okay, high quality, smooth, white bleed proof paper. Oh, what we got? Ideal for presentation visuals. Present. Right, I'm not going to look. You can see. I'm not looking. I'm not looking. I promise. I'm not looking. I've got to look to find something. Okay, we've got a Faber-Castell dust-free rubber. Ooh, I think I've had one of these before. A Rembrandt Art Design HP pencil. Oh, I found the sticker. Oh, his little fella. He's adorable. Let's get rid of this out the way. Oh. I've seen what we're getting. I've seen. Let's get this one. Oh, it's a Moloto black liner. 0.4. Little dinky thing. A Vimto chew bar. You don't get more English. Do you get these in America? Don't know. Awfully English. Oh, it's the big uns. These are the tri-blends. I've got... Where's it gone? I've got one in green from another box. These are the tri-blend by Spectrum Noir. We've got Antique Pink Blend, Gold Brown Blend, and a Blue Turquoise Shades blend. Yeah, it's essentially, it's 3 markers in one. And the idea is they all blend perfectly together. So this is the March one, by the way. We've got the Spectrum Noir Tri-Blend markers, 3 of them. The Moloto black liner. Apparently it's got a precise nib. A precise nib, people. You always need a precise nib. This month's treat is suitable for vegans and vegetarians. So good old Vimto. We've got the Lyra Rembrandt Art Design pencil. The Faber-Castell dust-free eraser. You know in old movies when you wanted to show like the evil character and they just have the bit of light shining on their eyes so you knew. Yeah, that's what I've got right now. Look. Whee. The Clairefontaine Gold Line A5 layout pad. Now, this high quality gold line layout pad has 20 sheets of smooth surface textured paper to enable you to produce your best work. Oh, thank you. The 70 GSM, that's quite thin, white paper, eliminates spread. I hate it when alcohol markers spread. It's so annoying. That annoys me more than... Oh, hello. Boy eraser going past. Not going to make it any bigger, mate. I don't mind it bleeding through. I just don't like it spreading across the paper. So I'm interested in this. And allows the ink to dry quickly. It stops ink bleed and allows the ink to dry quickly to avoid smudges and smears, helping to keep your work in pristine condition. So it dries quickly, which is good for smudging, but does that mean it won't blend as well? We'll find out. And the Scrawler Challenge Imaginarium, a place dedicated to imagination. I'm just thinking of community now. Comments down below if you get that. Well, this is what we've got. What on earth are we going to do with it? And it's Sam from the future. It is, I can't remember what date I said it was earlier, March something. It's now July 9th. So there you go. Essentially what is happening here is we're all in lockdown, obviously, and everybody was in the house and playing computer games. That's not actual gunfire. Once I wrote that down, I realised, yeah, okay. England, we don't really, it was games. Anyway, so I just had to record this and just film it, and I was not going to try and talk with people staring at me and pointing and laughing in the lounge. Anyway, so I'm doing this voiceover now. A while later. This is a while later. So, yeah, back to the box. I mean, I like this box. I don't like, as you can see, and it was very confusing opening these up because one of them's double-ended, and then I was like, I can't find it, but I found it. They're bullet points, and this has kind of proved to me that I don't particularly like bullet points. But there you go. You live and you learn. Oh, right, okay, look at this. Everyone stop and look at this anti-bleed proof paper. Yeah, you point at that paper. You point at that paper, good. Yeah, and the cover just sort of peeled off, so I just put that underneath. There you go. So those are the colours. We've got your basic pencil, basic rubber. Yeah, so I tried to do kind of like the picture that came in the box, sort of a weird, oh look at his little bottom, a weird kind of all over the place thing. He's reading a book and imagining all these things all around him. I've certain things as I do this I realise I need to work on. My lining is one of them, just getting a constant line. I don't know if I have a particularly shaky hand or what, but that line of that rocket floaty worm guy thing, whatever it is, yeah, bit shaky, so I'm not happy with that, to be honest. That's why we do these things, so we can practice. Yeah. So anyway, there's lots of different things here. Some I've just kind of made up, and others are, I guess, archetypes of children's books. Okay, this is a whale holding a bowl of petunias. Okay, what book is that from? Answers down below. That's pretty much the only thing that came from an actual book. Oh, there's also a bell jar down there. Not quite children's book, but there you go. This is me trying to work out what colours to go where. I just got another bit of the paper and traced it through because it's very thin, and tried to map out where the colours could go, where they wouldn't touch each other. And I failed. I just failed. There is a bit where it colours. However, the good thing with alcohol markers is when you layer them, and these are quite good at that, they go darker. So I kind of got over that with, I think is a blue, if I remember right. So there's a blue against blue. I just made it a darker blue. You see it more with the bowl of petunias when they're coloured in, that you can get that the three colours, they are quite distinct, and then when you layer them on top of each other you get even another colour. So for that, yeah, very interesting. The colours went well together. Here I am just doing, I thought I'd just do one colour at a time to try and spread it out. Yeah, that didn't work either. I still ended up putting colours next to each other. But yeah, they worked well. The colours definitely went together. They were well chosen. They went down okay, a little bit blotchy. You had to go over them a few times. The paper, it did bleed. It did. I think I check a couple of times. You see me lifting it, seeing if it's going on my desk, but it didn't. It's only bled a little bit, and it doesn't really spread. It does spread itsy bitsy bit, but nothing that you can't control. So there's that. But yeah, I like them. I just don't like bullet tips. There you go. And yeah, here's my whale. Yeah, answers down below. Come on. Whale, bowl of petunias falling through the sky. Come on, please. Please, people. Please. It's a classic. But anyway, yes, here is my little happy whale. And look, he's caught the bowl of petunias. They're not going to fall. Everything's going to be all right in life. Yeah. Anyway, me attempting to shade, which is always great fun. And, yeah. The Maloto, liner, oh, my computer just turned off. That was amazingly more quiet than it was a second ago, and I hadn't noticed, but there you go. Yes, the Maloto liner, it was good. It was a nice thickness, but yeah, nothing that I saw. Oh, I'm colouring in his little bum there. Nothing that I saw that was amazing or anything. Perfectly serviceable. It smudges a bit, but obviously you've got to give it a bit of time to dry. But then I think it was okay. I think it picked up a bit. I think you can see a little bit in that pink colour, that rose colour there. just a little bit where it's picking it up. But, well, there you go. It's really, from a liner, it worked perfectly serviceably. Nothing that I would rush out and buy, to be honest. These, I don't know, are they bordering on novelty, these things? Because, yeah, it's 3-in-1. Oh, my computer just turned back on again. Why did you do that? I didn't touch you. I didn't say anything. Oh, we're ignoring that. And the ghosts in the room, apparently. But, yeah, you get these 3 colours, which have been chosen to go together, but I'm sure you can choose your own colours to go together, and they're much... You see it in my hand there. They're essentially each, what, half the size, if that, of a normal marker. So you're getting half as much of each colour. I don't know. Are these novelty or are these a good idea? I like... I guess if I am still learning how to use these things, so it's nice to have the colours blatantly said. Here's me darkening it off. This goes with this. That's a good idea, but after a while you learn what goes with what, and you might want a different type of going together. I don't know. Oh, there's me putting one colour on top of another. Yeah, okay, you can get an almost green there. But, yeah, there you go. I put the blue with the blue, but it's a darker blue with a lighter blue, so I think it's fine. But anyway, yeah, I like them. I'm glad I tried them. I won't be buying any more. No, I think I've made that decision. I don't like the bullet points automatically. That's it. And you're essentially getting half a marker, and you're being told what colours go with what, which is useful for me because I am still learning. But for anyone else, I don't know. But the other thing I wish I'd done, and I'll go and check to see if I did, but I was going to colour in between in black, but I didn't. And I'm going to go find, did I ever do it? Or maybe I should, I don't know, just to see if that would look better, but I didn't have the guts. So I just put a little black, like, saucer where he's sitting just to ground him, and I don't like that either. So maybe I should have coloured it all in. But, yeah. But there you go. That's what I came up with. My little wormy, caterpillar-y guys. Who knows? But that's the finished result. And that is what I did. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to leave it a like if you liked it, and subscribe if you're new, and all that amazing, wonderful stuff. And I will hopefully see you next time. Bye!